This lesson we continue other example, writing into the HTML output. Okay, let's start coding. For example, document date write 5 and 9. Control S, and after refresh page. For example, document write date 10 and then 10 20. Result 20. You can see JavaScript alert and after code. For example, window alert code 5, 4 and 2. Control S, refresh page, and after I want to see my web page, this result, yes, this message 4 and 2, result 6. Other example, 15 and 20. Refresh this page, alert message 35, result 35, alert message. This example for Windows page alert code. JavaScript, when we use JavaScript is very dynamic web page. For alert, this code use, and for other write code, we use this code. For example, 9 and 0. Control S, and after this page, I think this not window write, this document write. Control S, then after, yes, 9 and 0, result 9. Okay, see you other lesson.